Right, okie dokie. Another happy day. Like I said in previous videos, we can go and look in Facebook in a marketplace for anything, and we can find out anything again, like we found out in previous video the washing machine. This time I found another washing machine, but that machine will be integrated, really good condition, it works. Let's get and try. Is different place than was last time. Also a little bit of cost for last washing machine. The cost was around £7 for a fuel. Basically that's it. This one will be around roughly the same. Extra will be maybe the plug, what is cost £3-4, so basically cost will be around £10, so it's not that bad. Gonna sale again, so I would say maybe between £70 and 90, we'll see. So we're gonna go. Fucking hell, busy road on a COVID, they should stay at home. Let's go. Almost we are there. So we arrived where this should be. So we'll have a look what is what. Alright. So the washer is here. All bits and bobs is here as well. Yeah, we'll need a little wash. But this looks very good. Inside is clean. We'll need just a little wash maybe. And this place where it's supposed to be the powders, all those things. So we got the machine inside. Nice, you know, it looks good made. Is Hot Point, one of the top made. You know, it looks pretty nice. If I could get bigger kitchen, I would put for myself. So you just need a new plug. Yeah, it's not bad. We'll check and that's it. Let's go. Happy days, very cool, and it's good made company as well. So just a couple of things what needs to do. Hopefully will work like she said. She wish good luck as well for me. So we'll try. Why not? Not in time. Lovely day, sunny, you see? How beautiful day. I like it. I like to move it. I like to move it. Yeah! So we'll load up and we'll have a look what's not and done it, and we'll go for a sale. Simply as that. Like you see, we are missing front legs, which one I'm gonna grab from the other machine, which one I have for spares. All pipes, waste pipe, water pipe, electric cable, all is in there. Tumble is running. Yeah, looks like all will be fine. Just load out. Well, it is working very well. What we got here? I'm usually not saving them. Oh, something fell off. Alright, some parts. So possibly for a magnet when they're fitting the doors, because it's integrated. So we got the inches. Which one is working? Oh, right. It's a double plus. For someone, will be very nice purchase. So basically, we've got full set. Happy days. Very nice sunny day. This one I'm not gonna wash. I just put it to here to not lost. Gotcha. Cool.
Happy days for everyone.